Welcome to the ultimate AI image generator, affordable, high quality, and dreamy. First, head over to the CGDream website. Here you'll find user-created images that are incredibly high quality. CGDream AI offers several methods for generating images, including text-to-image, image-to-image, and 3D object-to-image. In this video, I'll cover all these options. Start by clicking Login and sign in using Gmail, Discord, or other available options. Let's check out the pricing plans. For example, you can generate up to 200 images, which is quite generous compared to other free image generators. Let's use the text-to-image option. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Type a description of what you'd like to create. This description is your prompt, and can be as detailed or as simple as you want. You can select up to 5 filters to enhance and add effects to your image. The tool is smart enough to recommend the best filters for your needs. Choose your desired filters. Then, adjust their strength using the sliders. From the right menu, select your desired aspect ratio. Decide on the number of images you want to generate per prompt. Set the guidance factor. Lower values make the image more chaotic and creative. For consistency, you can choose a seed number. If you prefer the AI to choose randomly, leave the seed number blank. Finally, click Generate to create your images. That's interesting. The effects of all chosen filters are clearly visible in the image. There is also an in-paint option, allowing you to seamlessly edit specific parts of your image. You can upscale your image by clicking on the X2 icon. Let's create another image. Write the prompt and choose the filters as I showed before. Now hit Generate. That's wonderful. This simple image was created without a detailed prompt. I wonder what the image would look like with an even more detailed and enhanced prompt. For this, click on the Dream Up button. The refined prompt works pretty well. Finally, upscale the image by clicking on 2x button. And download it from here. Let's try the image-to-image option. From the bottom of the page, click on Upload. Upload your image or 3D file. Describe the image simply in the prompt section. Choose the filter that best matches your desire and adjust the filter weight. Here, you can adjust how closely the generated image resembles your uploaded image. Then, click on Generate. There we have it. This is actually really good. Here you can see the before and after. Let's upscale the image and see the results. Well, it's pretty good. The details, color, everything is enhanced. Now, let's try 3D model. At the top of the page, click on 3D models. Here you can find a lot of high-quality 3D models. Let's take this car as an example. It opens in this 3D rendering space, where we can move, rotate, and zoom it exactly the way we want. Choose the filter and write what's in your mind, then let the magic happen. Wow, that's interesting. What you can do using 3D models is absolutely insane. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Happy creating! See you next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.